Laurel Legal Services presents How to File for Emergency Custody. This presentation provides general information and is not legal advice. This presentation will provide information on emergency custody and filing for it in the Pennsylvania counties of Armstrong, Cambria, Clarion, Indiana, Jefferson, and Westmoreland. When do I file for emergency custody? This process is reserved for emergency situations and will only be granted if the filing is a result of an actual emergency. Emergency circumstances include but are not limited to when your children are faced with imminent danger in which they cannot be protected from unless the petition is granted. Where do I file for emergency custody? Once you fill out all required forms, you must bring them to your prothonotari's office in your county's courthouse. When filing for custody, you must file in the county in which the child resides or in a county where the child has lived in the previous 6 months. How do I file? Visit laurellegalservices.org or contact Laurel Legal Services directly to find our instructional packet that includes all required forms. You can also contact your attorney or visit the UJS portal to find these forms. Remember to fill out all forms in blue or black ink. Cover sheet number 1. The family court cover sheet contains the county you are filing in, your name, the person you are filing against's name, the docket number, and your signature. Leave the docket number blank. Form number 1. The confidential information form is required because custody actions require important and confidential information. If your case involves domestic violence, fill out the included abuse addendum sheet. Form number 2. The petition for emergency relief is the document where you will formally ask the judge to grant you emergency custody. List all of the reasons that you believe an emergency exists, including what happened, when it happened, and what you are asking the court to do. Be as specific as possible. If a prior custody order is in place, attach a copy of that order. Included in form number 2 is the court order and verification. In the court order, write in exactly what you want the court to do. For the verification, sign it to indicate that all of the information you provided is true. If there is not a custody order in place, fill out complaint form number 1 if you are a parent, or complaint form number 2 if you are a grandparent or third party. Form number 3. The criminal record abuse verification form is required because judges always consider the criminal records of the parties when ruling on any custody action. Be completely honest when filling this out. Form number 4. The filing fee can be waived or reduced by filling out the motion to proceed in form of pauperous. This form is long and detailed, but can save you hundreds of dollars in court fees. If the cost is an issue that would prevent you from filing for emergency custody, this form is the answer. Once you have completed all of the necessary paperwork, file it at your county's prothonotary office. If you need further help with filling out the forms, please watch our video, Filing for Emergency Custody Walkthrough. This video will help you go through the paperwork step by step. Also be sure to check out our other videos on legal topics.